The Public Health Department has been working around the clock preparing for the hurricane season. Annually at the start of the rains, the mosquito population increases, as does the number of cases of vector-borne diseases such as dengue, malaria, and zika. While generally there is added focus around this time of the year, the education and awareness campaign of the department is all year round.
Prior to the month of June, we have been servicing the trucks for Belize, San Pedro, Kikaka, the machines. We make sure that they're in good working condition, they have been flushed properly. We made sure we collected our melatonin and we have them stored properly out of the sun. And we make sure that basically that we are ready to go as soon as the heavy rains start. No? We try to encourage residents to reduce the breeding sites for mosquitoes. You cannot eliminate mosquitoes, of course, but the breeding sites for the aedes aegypti mosquito, that is those are the containers that we're targeting.
The Public Health Department partners annually with the City Council to ensure that across Belize City, drains are cleaned and trash, including water-holding containers such as tires, cans, and drums, are removed from neighborhoods. This is in an effort to flush out breeding sites for the mosquitoes. Over the past 2 weekends, health inspectors organized the cleanup campaign.
Over the past 6 months, we've been doing what we call interventions. Whenever we receive a suspected or a confirmed case of Zika or dengue fever, we have our officers go out there and do what we call thermal fogging in majority of the homes around the surrounding areas, or the area that is clinically diagnosed or confirmed with the disease. And we also do inspection. Health education plays an integral role. On Saturday and Sunday, in the area we call the Zone 4, that's the Lake Independence area, we focused on areas that has the high incidences of the fever cases coming from those areas. And along with the cleanup campaign, we had all our officers go in there and do a surveillance.
But are residents adhering to the best practices to keep their yards clean of these breeding sites for mosquitoes?
I believe a lot of people know, but actually transferring or translating that knowledge into practice, because that's what we don't do. We know the mosquito we know the aedes aegypti can cause several diseases. We know, but to actually put the practice, and so we partner with the schools also to go into the schools. Very, very important. The media, like yourself, what we're doing right now. City Council, Village Council, because remember we're also responsible for Kikaka, San Pedro, and the other communities in the central region. No, I can think of some hot spots that we usually have in terms of dengue transmission, and that's the Los Lagos area, Ladyville, San Hill, Lloyds Bank. We need to work closely with those village councils also, no, so that we get the message across and we make sure that we reduce mosquito breeding sites.
Duane, Moody for News 5.